What if I told you there's one ETF that's crushing the market with plus 24% returns this year, while most investors are stuck in boring index funds making 8%? I'm talking about an ETF that has delivered over 35% gains in the past 12 months alone, and most people have never even heard of it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 6 ETFs could transform your portfolio from slow and steady to wealth explosion mode. Quick favor, before we get started, smash that like button right now and hit subscribe because I'm about to share strategies that most financial advisors either don't know about or won't tell you. This isn't basic investing advice. This is the real deal. Here's the thing that drives me crazy about traditional investment advice. Everyone tells you to just buy the S&P 500 and call it a day. But while you're getting average returns, there are specific ETFs out there absolutely demolishing the market using proven strategies that most people completely ignore. The difference between wealth building and wealth explosion often comes down to knowing where the real opportunities are hiding. Today, I'm going to share 6 verified ETFs with real performance data, not generic advice you can find anywhere. These represent different strategies for different risk levels, and I'll give you an actionable investment framework you can implement today. Let's start with the absolute monster of 2025, and this is where the momentum revolution gets real. While everyone was debating market crashes and economic doom, momentum investors were quietly getting rich. The Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF, ticker SPMO, has delivered an absolutely stunning plus 23.97% year-to-date, and an incredible plus 35.47% over the past 12 months. This isn't luck. This is pure science. This ETF only holds the 100 stocks from the S&P 500 with the strongest price momentum, and it rebalances every 6 months to keep the winners and dump the losers. Here's what makes SPMO so powerful right now. It's managing over $12 billion in assets, which tells you institutions have serious confidence in this strategy. The top holdings read like a who's who of 2025's biggest winners. Nvidia at 9.87%, Meta at 8.82%, and Amazon at 8.54%. The expense ratio is just 0.13%, which is incredibly reasonable for an active momentum strategy. The current market environment is absolutely perfect for momentum investing, because we're seeing sustained trends driven by the AI boom and technological transformation. When markets are trending strongly like they are now, momentum strategies tend to outperform everything else. But maybe you're thinking momentum sounds too risky, and you want growth without the wild swings. Let me introduce you to what I call the Warren Buffett of growth ETFs. The Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, ticker SCHG, is absolutely crushing it with an expense ratio that will blow your mind. We're talking about 0.04% annually. That means on a $10,000 investment, you're paying just $4 per year in fees. While other growth funds are charging $50 to $100 annually, you keep that extra money working for you. Don't think lower fees mean lower performance, though. SCHG delivered plus 21.53% over the past year with rock-solid consistency, and it's managing a massive $48.15 billion in assets. Here's the beautiful part. You're getting the same top holdings as the expensive funds. Nvidia at 11.1%, Microsoft at 10%, Apple at 9.5%. The compound effect of saving on fees is absolutely staggering. If you invested $10,000 and earned 15% annually, after 20 years with SCHG's 0.04% fee, you'd have about $163,000. With a typical growth fund charging 0.75%, you'd only have about $154,000. That fee difference could literally cost you a luxury car in retirement. Now let's talk about betting on the future itself. Technology isn't just a sector anymore, it's basically the economy. The Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker VGT, is the largest tech ETF in the world, with an absolutely massive $114.9 billion in assets under management. When people say, "I wish I invested in tech earlier," this is literally your second chance, except now you can own the entire technology ecosystem in one fund. VGT delivered plus 23.27% over the past year and an impressive plus 20.52% annualized over 5 years. The top holdings tell the story of our digital future. NVIDIA at 18.17%, Microsoft at 15.4%, Apple at 12.71%. This fund holds 319 different technology companies, covering everything from artificial intelligence to cloud computing to cybersecurity. With 97.95% allocation to pure technology, you're making a concentrated bet that every company is becoming a tech company, which frankly, they are. Here's where things get really interesting, and we need to talk about the invisible industry that's literally running everything. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF, ticker SMH, gives you pure exposure to the companies making the chips that power our entire digital world. Your car, your phone, your refrigerator, even your coffee maker, they all need semiconductors. The global chip shortage proved just how critical this industry really is. SMH has the highest 5-year returns of all 6 ETFs we're covering today at plus 30.4% annualized. But here's the thing about semiconductor stocks. They can be volatile. Last year's returns were only plus 7.4%, but this year they're back up plus 19.75% year to date. This is high risk, high reward territory, but the long-term trend is absolutely your friend. The fund holds just 26 companies, but they're the absolute giants. NVIDIA at 21.66% is leading the AI chip revolution. Taiwan Semiconductor at 10.77% makes chips for Apple and everyone else. When the world goes more digital, which it inevitably will, these companies win big. Now here's where most investors miss a massive opportunity, and I call this the David versus Goliath strategy. While everyone's chasing big tech names, small companies are often growing much faster and flying under the radar. The Avanti's US Small Cap Value ETF, ticker AVUV, uses active management to find hidden gems before they become famous. This is where tomorrow's big winners are hiding today. What makes AVUV unique is its incredible diversification. It holds 784 different companies, and the largest holding is only 1.06% of the fund. You literally have no single stock risk here. Since inception, it's delivered plus 14.14% annualized returns, consistently outperforming most small-cap benchmarks. Plus, you're getting a 1.6% dividend yield, so you're earning income while you wait for growth. Historically, small-cap stocks have outperformed large caps over long periods because they have less analyst coverage, which creates more opportunities for active managers to find undervalued companies. The key is being early, not late. The final piece of our wealth-building puzzle hits what I call the Goldilocks zone of investing. Mid-cap stocks aren't too big and aren't too small. They're just right. The Invesco S&P Mid-Cap Momentum ETF, ticker XMMO, finds momentum leaders in this sweet spot. These are companies that have moved past the risky startup phase but aren't yet too big to grow rapidly. XMMO has delivered plus 16.1% over 5 years, using its momentum strategy across 80 carefully selected holdings. The sector diversification is beautiful. 25.75% industrials, 23.65% financials, 11.23% technology. Companies like Williams-Sonoma, EMCOR, and Wingstop that most people haven't heard of yet but are showing serious momentum. Mid-cap stocks historically offer more growth potential than large caps while being more stable than small caps. It's literally the perfect middle ground for growth investors. So how do you actually use this information to build massive wealth? Let me give you 3 different portfolio frameworks depending on your risk tolerance. For conservative growth investors, consider 40% SCHG for that low-cost large-cap foundation, 30% VGT for technology exposure, 20% AVUV for small-cap diversification, and 10% XMMO for mid-cap momentum. If you're more aggressive, try 30% SPMO for maximum momentum, 25% each in SMH and VGT for concentrated tech growth, and 20% SCHG for stability. For a truly balanced approach, you could equal weight all 6 at 16.67% each. Here's the key insight about timing these strategies. SPMO works best in trending markets like we have right now in 2025. SCHG is your all-weather growth foundation that works in any environment. SMH performs best during tech boom periods, which we're clearly in. AVUV shines during value rotation periods when investors hunt for overlooked opportunities. The most important thing is to dollar-cost average into these positions and rebalance quarterly to maintain your target allocation. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Here's what you need to understand. These returns are happening right now in 2025. Every day you wait is pure opportunity cost. The momentum we're seeing in markets today may not last forever, and the companies leading these ETFs are at the forefront of massive technological and economic shifts. 6 months from now, you'll either be thanking yourself for taking action today, or you'll be wishing you had started. Your next step is simple. Pick 1 or 2 ETFs that match your risk tolerance and start with a small position. Then add to it monthly regardless of market conditions. These aren't just ETFs, they're wealth-building machines designed to capture the biggest growth opportunities in today's market. Hit like and subscribe if you want me to track these ETFs monthly and show you exactly how they're performing. Comment below and tell me which ETF you're most excited about and ring that notification bell for more wealth-building strategies that actually work. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Investment performance shown is based on historical data and projections. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.